Hey guys, it's Mk6 Fiesta here again, and I hope you've had a good Christmas and a good New Year. Obviously, if you celebrate Christmas and New Year, because some religions don't, which is totally fine by me. But hey, let's divert from that. So today, we're going to be fitting a SPARCO. It says genuine SPARCO, by the way, did have it off their website. Gear shifter. So instead of like putting my hand on top of that one, because it is loose because I've just undone it a bit before the video. It's not very nice. It reminds me of a golf club, but it does the job at the end of the day. But this one, I don't know what really style it is, but you sort of put your hand around that way instead of on top. And it is genuine. It's not genuine, but metal, if you like. It is quite hard. Just gonna use quite heavy. It's a good couple of kilos. So if you have a Mk6 Fiesta like me, you just put your hand on and just twist. So if you just twist it off, and it'll come that loose that it just pulls off. So as you can see, it just twists off. It's like on a little focus, a little spline. So obviously this is the facelift version, so it has that trace I just put up there. So then you have, with the SPARCO kit, it comes in a box, which is in a glove box. You have these 3 grommets, and what it is just put them on the seat here. I don't know, there's one. I don't know which size it is at mint, I've got to put them on. But it's like, you have little grommets, which are there. And they like just slip on, so just keep trying them on. You'll know which one fits, because it'll just slide on for you. So them two are too small, so it's got to be this one. No, that's way too small. So let's just have a look. Right, that one looks fair size. Yes, it's empty. There's no sizes. You just pat it down, it will meant to go on. So then, if you put that on, it doesn't matter which way you put it on, it just goes on. And then, where's the little Allen-key? The little Allen-key comes with the kit. And you just simply put them grommets inside. Is it getting focus? There you go. Inside them little grommets there, so you can just see the little grommet there. So, just grab one. And just simply... Yeah, that's a good point. Make sure that bit, so it's like a hollow bit, that bit needs to come towards you. If you don't, the Allen key won't slot in. So you just get a little Allen key and just twist it inwards. So for me, it's clockwise. It twists in. Obviously I'm sitting in a right-hand driver's seat, so if you're a left-hand drive vehicle, it'll be anti-clockwise towards you. So just bear that in mind. It is a universal one, so it's not just for Fiestas because it comes with them 3 grommets, but I do not know which actual vehicles it fits. So yeah, I'm just putting where's that gone? I'm just putting the 2nd grommet in now. And obviously once I put them all in, I will tighten them. There's no actual torque settings, it's just however tight you want to go, but don't go too tight or else they may snap. Which hasn't happened to me yet. Goodness. It does come with 4 grommets, so you do have a spare grommet. Don't lose any of them, to be fair. Oh, and just something else to mention. This is for only manual vehicles. It will not fit an automatic shifter. So as you can see, I'm just tightening them up. Just enough so it doesn't fall off when I'm... That's going on it, slide it. So as you can see, this boot it's actually a standard one, but for me it does actually fit over. But we'll be getting a new boot anyway, just hasn't come yet. So it's sliding down anyway, so just leave that. You could always get some double-sided stick tape there, or Pritt stick, bit of PVA glue, or cable tie, whichever you want to do, but it won't bother me really. So yeah, it shifts really well, and I know I'm doing it above, but that's because I'm not actually driving, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here.